Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Sugatsune SLML30S-BN plastic touch latch is what it is. This is in brown. It's magnetic. I should have said it's a magnetic touch latch. Also available in white. I believe that is, in lieu of the BN, you'll have a WH. And this video is to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item and maybe talk about where it's used. Let's take some dimensional properties. Overall width of the latch body, about 1 inch and 11/16. Overall depth of the body itself, about 1 inch. Overall height, looks like it's about 5/8 of an inch. The bolt projection when it's retracted, it's about 1/4 inch. Comes out to about 9/16 when it's thrown. Okay, the underside of the bottom of the unit to the center of the bolt, we can see that to be about 3/8 of an inch. It's also going to have a simple strike plate that's here. That's going to be about 7/8 by 1/2 inch. It's going to include 3 fasteners, 2 for the body and then 1 for the strike. Now, what would you use this for? Any light-duty sort of cabinet control is what you're going to use this for, whether it be a kitchen cabinet, a entertainment center, some piece of light door that you've built for storage. You know, anywhere where you want a decent quality but very inexpensive touch latch. This is it. Some details about that we're going to go over, but first, what are you going to use it for? Well, those purposes that we just mentioned. You know, something where you need to have a touch latch, and the magnetic pull force of 2.6 pounds works for you, meaning it doesn't take a lot of effort to get this to move, so a lightweight door. Let's switch to the screen view. Let's take a closer look at some supporting information. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. All right, here's the item that we are looking at. Let's take a look at the extended description information. And that information is here. When door is pushed in, spring-loaded mechanism pushes door open. Latches have short throw distances. We did measure that earlier. Strike plate included with all latches. Plastic housing available in brown and white colors. Magnetic pull force 2.6 pounds. Here are your dimensions. And they are sold as each. When you buy one, we'll ship you one. I happen to have some images that are here of the item. A flathead wood screw, that will be for the strike, and then these 2, I'd call them panhead screws. That would be for the body. Slotted holes will allow you to make a fine-tuning, so to speak, of exactly where the body is positioned. You might want to get it as close as possible, and then put the screw maybe down in the center. If you need to tweak it at all, you can loosen the screw slightly and then shift the body to where you need it. Some close-up view of the item itself. It does appear to be black. Most definitely in this picture, it's not. It's certainly brown. That's a better view of the brown color. That certainly is as well. There's your accessories. The strike has prongs on it, so what you'll do is when you get the body installed, you're going to place the strike right on the magnetic pole. Because of these prongs, which you will be facing the door, you're going to push the door against it. Those little prongs will mark on the back side of the door where you need to position. You'll pre-drill, and then you'll install the strike. And that should be everything that you would need for that. Now, there's a link below this video as seen here to the manufacturer's page. Now, this is a fairly valuable link to have, and here's what I mean. You can view not only all of the Sugatsune parts that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation here. You can get to their website, which, frankly, I don't visit ever, if at all. And the reason I don't end up unintentionally going there is because this catalog is so epic in nature. And Sugatsune is a Japanese company. Just imagine I was saying European or Australian or, you know, non-North American. And especially with European material, there are solutions to hardware applications that other countries think of. And this catalog is full of ideas. It's full of hardware that may solve problems with these unique ideas. So the access to the resource is what I was referring to earlier. And one example that I draw on all the time is, you may be familiar with double-acting spring hinges. No doubt at some point in your life you've seen them. Saloon doors, full-size doors in restaurants. But Sugatsune has solid stainless steel double-acting spring hinges. No one else has those that I'm aware of, and they're in this catalog. And our search criteria on that needed to be spring hinge, and when I searched for that, their spring hinges come up, and the one I'm looking for is the double action spring hinge. So if you have an exterior application and you want something made of stainless, they've got them. Max door thickness, however, is 1.5 inches. So if you're going to have a door that's thicker than that, you're probably going to need to creatively notch the face of the door to make that fit. Notch all that out and around there would be my guess. They also have them in aluminum. So there you go. But I also want to bring this to your attention because of the countless other solutions that are in here that just might work for your application. Okay, lots of neat things in this book. Okay. All right, so on that manufacturer's page, that wraps up everything that's there. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. Sugatsune has distribution points in North America. Much of their material is kept in stock. We don't keep it here. There's just not enough demand or call for it for us to really go heavy and keep that material on the shelf. But be mindful, it can be ordered, most definitely, and supplied to you, like this client ordered 4 of these touch latches. Going to a woodworking company in Tennessee. So there you go. Any questions on the Sugatsune SLML30S in a brown or a -BN or any other Sugatsune product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.